morning run is done and it was super nice again. But we saw some trash on the beach and we're gonna give our best to try and clean it up a bit. So, with 40 minutes we picked up 2 bags full of trash, and when you see trash it would be really nice if you would pick it up. But now let's go to the market. Okay, if I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like that kind of markets, but because my parents wanted to come, we came, and let's see what mom and dad can find from here. Me and dad don't eat seafood, but mom loves it. And it looks disgusting to me. And sorry mom. So first you have to apply the lemon and then shake it. Try it now. Yikes.
Ei tulnud välja.
It didn't come
Ma ei
out.
tšekkinud seda, et see siit nagu luus oleks.
I like to shake it. This was a small tour through the market. It wasn't that bad because I got some surfboards that are souvenirs, and we might go surfing today. If the waves are good, we'll go, and if they're bad, we won't go. And maybe the waves aren't bad, the problem is in us. I hope not. But yeah, if we don't go surfing today, we'll see you tomorrow when we go and explore Spain. This is my mom, and she helps around the house. We are here in Spain, San Sebastian, and we've got Stigos to explore the city. lot of people are asking what stickers are, and we thought that it would be a really good way to like give visibility to our supporters. And all the stickers were a bit too big, so, and the Quicksilver one was also. And I was like, oh, you can get the Quicksilver sticker if you get, like take a Roxy sticker and make it in half. So we're gonna do that now and put one on. This was a small trip in San Sebastian, and actually I like to do like small trips with Stigos, and it's a bit hard to give you the feeling what it's like to cruise around the city, but because it's getting late and we are in Spain, we decided that we're gonna have dinner in a Spanish restaurant. But I think it's time to end this vlog. So if you liked the video, put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and lights out.